We're here at the Rise of the Avatar Festival. We're just getting set up. Still plenty of time if you want to come and join us. We've got loads of full power cacao. We're at the amazing Lighthouse Space, M11 2EX postcode. Get your tickets at illuminate.co.uk. Come hang out. We've got loads of amazing people. Beautiful, nourishing foods. And let me tell you a little bit about the workshops we've got going on. So, got an avatar activation happening soon, so get here now if you want that. We've got a dance class coming up, yoga, mind mapping, how to basically rewire your brain, how to heal through suffering, how to step fully into your avatar, and I'm doing a channeling and DNA activation workshop. So I'm going to teach you how to open your channel, let the magic flow through you. It's really simple. A lot of people make it complicated. Then we're doing a fire walk, so literally walking on burning hot coals, and then 5:55 cacao ceremony with FireWalk, with sound bath. It's just going to be magic. So if that sounds good, if that feels good, get yourself down here. It's going to be a real vibe. If you don't know this space as well, come. It's a beautiful, beautiful space. We've got some healers here today, different stalls, hook you up with all the magic that you need. Come play. Standout Speakers Academy, future-proof generations, illuminate. Soul family vibes. See you soon.